Unsettling discoveries both fascinate and disturb, revealing ancient artifacts with mysterious histories and unexplained phenomena. They challenge our understanding of history, science, and nature, fueling curiosity and raising profound questions about the unknown. Here are 10 historical discoveries that should have stayed secret. Number 10. The Lindo Man. In 1984, workers at Lindo Moss in England uncovered a remarkable discovery: a human leg that turned out to be part of the Lindo Man, one of Europe's most famous bog bodies. Preserved for over 2,000 years, he lived between 2 BCE and 119 CE, around 25 years old at his death. What distinguishes Lindo Man from other Iron Age bog bodies is his well-groomed hair and manicured nails, suggesting a higher social status. However, further analysis revealed a darker story. His remains showed multiple injuries, including a head wound, a garrote around his neck, a broken neck, and potential stab wounds. These signs point to a ritualistic death, possibly a human sacrifice, execution, or murder for unknown reasons. The discovery of the Lindo Man continues to intrigue researchers, offering a chilling window into ancient practices and mysterious rituals. Number 9. The Lovers of Valdaro. In 2007, archaeologists in San Giorgio, Italy, uncovered 2 Neolithic skeletons dating back 6,000 years positioned in a tender embrace. Dubbed the Lovers of Valdaro, the remains of a young man and woman, approximately 20 years old, have fascinated the world with their tragic story. The man had a flint arrowhead near his neck, and the woman had a long flint blade and 2 knives under her pelvis. Initially, these tools suggested violent deaths, but further analysis indicated they were part of a burial ritual, not weapons of death. The couple's embrace provides a poignant window into Neolithic burial practices and human emotions. The skeletons were carefully preserved, and 7 years later, they were placed in a glass case, allowing the world to witness their enduring love. This discovery highlights themes of love, loss, and the timeless connections between people across millennia. Number 8. The Monk Mummy. In 2015, the mummified body of a monk was discovered in Mongolia's Sonnenkangai district near Ulaanbaatar, seated in a lotus pose. Believed to be a teacher of Lama Dashidoro Itigilov, the monk's preserved state sparked speculation that he wasn't dead, but in a rare meditative state known as Tukdam. Buddhists believe Tukdam brings practitioners closer to enlightenment, causing the body to shrink after several weeks, leaving only hair, nails, and clothing behind. Some followers of the Dalai Lama's teachings claim the monk still moves, seeing it as evidence of his profound spiritual state. Skeptics argue that the monk's preservation is due to the region's cold, dry climate, not a spiritual phenomenon. This discovery continues to intrigue both spiritual believers and scientists, blurring the lines between faith and science and raising questions about the limits of human consciousness. Number 7. The Ulfbert Swords. The Ulfbert swords, dating from the Viking Age, circa 800 to 1000 CE, are celebrated for their exceptional craftsmanship. Found across Europe from Scandinavia to the Volga River, these swords were made from crucible steel, a material with high carbon content that gave them remarkable strength, sharpness, and flexibility. This advanced steel-making technique was centuries ahead of European metallurgy, not replicated until the Industrial Revolution. The origin of this technique remains a mystery, with some scholars suggesting that trade routes between Viking lands and regions like the Middle East or South Asia influenced Viking blacksmiths. Many Ulfbert swords feature the inscription Ulfbert, possibly signifying a master craftsman or workshop, though variations in quality suggest some swords were replicas. These swords continue to captivate archaeologists and enthusiasts, reflecting the Vikings' advanced technology and far-reaching connections. Number 6. Lake of Skeletons. At 16,470 feet in the Himalayas, Rin Lake holds a chilling secret: hundreds of human skeletons. Discovered in 1942 by a British forest ranger, the bones were initially thought to belong to Japanese soldiers from World War II, but further investigation revealed a wide range of individuals from different eras. Some skeletons date back to the 9th century, and belong to local Indian tribes, while others exhibit Mediterranean genetic markers. How did such a diverse group end up frozen in the mountains? A popular legend suggests a king and his followers angered the goddess Nanda Devi, causing her to unleash a deadly hailstorm during their pilgrimage. Scientific evidence backs this up, as many skeletons show signs of blunt force trauma from large hailstones. Yet the discovery of Mediterranean individuals in this remote location remains puzzling, hinting at the existence of ancient trade routes or pilgrimages. Number 5. The starving time at Jamestown. In 1607, Jamestown became the first permanent English settlement in America, but its early years were marked by extreme hardship. In 1609, a mysterious explosion and Captain John Smith's forced return to England left the colony in chaos. The winter of 1609 to 1610, known as the Starving Time, saw settlers trapped by dwindling supplies and hostilities with indigenous groups, cutting off access to food. Starvation became so severe that, in 2012, archaeologists uncovered evidence of cannibalism among the colonists, a haunting testament to their desperate fight for survival. This discovery sheds light on the immense challenges Jamestown settlers endured, from environmental pressures to leadership struggles, and reveals the dark realities of early colonial life. Despite the horrors of the starving time, the colony persisted, marking the resilience of its people and their determination to establish a foothold in the New World. Number 4. Shackled skeletons. In 2016, a mass grave was uncovered at the Phaleron Delta site in Greece, revealing over 80 skeletons from the 7th century BCE, all bound in iron shackles. Some lay on their backs while others faced down, reflecting their violent end. The discovery is linked to political unrest in ancient Athens, possibly related to the failed coup of Cylon, an Athenian noble who attempted to seize power around 632 BCE. After his defeat, his followers were reportedly executed. The Phaleron site, one of Greece's largest classical-era cemeteries, contains approximately 1,500 skeletons. The shackled remains offer valuable insights into ancient punishment practices and the violent conflicts that shaped Athens' early history, making this find crucial in both archaeological and historical contexts. Before we go on, like this video, smash the subscribe button and click the notification bell right now. Number 3. The Shroud of Turin. The Shroud of Turin is a centuries-old linen cloth believed by many to bear the image of Jesus Christ, formed during his crucifixion. It is regarded as a sacred relic and a profound symbol of Christian devotion. First documented in the 14th century France, the shroud gained global attention in 1898 when photographer Secondo Pia's negatives revealed a strikingly lifelike image. However, radiocarbon dating in 1988 placed its origins between 1260 and 1390, suggesting it is a medieval artifact. Skeptics consider this evidence definitive, but supporters argue that contamination or repairs may have skewed the results. To this day, the Shroud of Turin inspires debate and wonder, remaining a fascinating enigma that bridges the realms of faith, history, and science. Number 2. Leonardo da Vinci's robotic vision. Leonardo da Vinci, renowned for his artistic and scientific achievements, also delved into robotics. In 1495, he sketched plans for a humanoid knight, an idea centuries ahead of its time, rediscovered in the 1950s. This mechanical knight could perform actions like sitting, standing, and moving its limbs, combining Leonardo's deep anatomical knowledge with intricate mechanical design. Although never built during his lifetime, the detailed plans highlight his genius in merging art and engineering. Leonardo's robotic knight reflects his ability to envision automation long before the advent of modern technology. These designs not only showcase his ingenuity, but also continue to inspire advancements in robotics, cementing his legacy as a timeless innovator. Number 1. The Cursed Ring. The Cursed Ring of Sylvanus carries a tale steeped in mystery. Legend says Sylvanus lost a gold ring, and blaming Sanus for its theft, inscribed a curse on a lead tablet, imploring the gods to afflict Sanus until the ring was returned. This curse, discovered at the Temple of Nans in Lycia, is believed to have bound itself to the ring. The ring resurfaced in 1785 near Silchester, England. Made of gold, weighing 12 grams and engraved with Venus, the Roman goddess of love, its size suggests it was worn over a glove or on the thumb. In 1929, Sir Mortimer Wheeler linked the ring to the curse tablet and consulted J.R.R. Tolkien, then an Oxford scholar. Many speculate this relic inspired Tolkien's The Lord of the Rings, blending history, legend, and literature into an enduring enigma. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. Thanks for watching.